Hi, I'm Sue Ledger. I'm Head of Education here at Murdoch University. I've been working in education for well over 30 years in primary schools, secondary schools and higher education. Very well experienced, and I'm looking forward to teaching you how to teach. Our Bachelor of Education programs at Murdoch University last for 4 years, of which you can enrol internally or externally. And in our final year, exceptional students can enter what we call the 12-month internship program, very popular. In either secondary or the primary program here at Murdoch, we've got a range of choices to specialise. Typically, we have mathematics, science, English or literacy, we have rural and remote education, inclusive education, and Indigenous education. In the secondary program, you specialise in two learning areas, and that depends on your expertise. We have practical experiences from the time you come in. You'll practice learning with the simulated classroom from day one, and you'll exit with the simulation classroom at the end just to see your personal growth. Each year you'll have simulated experiences, and each year you'll have practical experiences in schools. You'll have those experiences in local schools, in rural and remote schools, and if you want to, international schools as well. Most Murdoch graduates will get a job. They're well regarded in the workforce by the teaching profession and schools. Many of our students opt to go to country. Lots start off internationally, but the majority of our students will get jobs here in the city or in large regional centres. Students that we'd love to come into teaching are students who love learning and want to inspire others. Students who are caring but diagnostic in their approach. Students that want to make a difference. Students who are flexible, and students who actually listen to other people. Many of the students that come into the education are first in families with degrees, and they really value and appreciate learning and the opportunity to learn. So that is then passed on to their future students.